Hello students, welcome to Academia. Today our chapter is Digestive System. The digestive system is also known as alimentary system. So this system is used for breaking down food into nutrients which then pass into the circulation. Generally, whatever we eat, our food is divided into three major classes. Number one, carbohydrates. Number two, protein. And number three, fat. So these three major category of foods actually we consume, and when the food go to the system is used for the breakdown of the food and make it simplest. For example, they make the carbohydrates into monosaccharides, protein into amino acids, and fat into fatty acids plus glycerol. So these are the simplest forms of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So briefly, the functions of the whole digestive system. Number one, ingestion of food. It means whatever food we eat, the system helps the food to swallow. Next is breakdown of food into nutrient molecules. Which we have discussed early, that the carbohydrates become glucose, protein become amino acids, fat become fatty acids and glycerol. Next, the absorption of these nutrients into the bloodstream. So after the formation of the simplest forms or the nutrients, these nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract and go to the bloodstream. Number 4, rid the body of indigestible remains. It means that the particles, the remaining substances which are or which remain indigestible, they eliminate from the body. So these four functions are the basic function of digestive system or alimentary system. Next we should see that what are the states to food processing. There are four main states to food processing. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. And number 4, ejection. So these four states are important for the total food processing. as we have seen in the diagram, the major parts of digestive system or the GIT, that is gastrointestinal tract, are: number 1 is mouth. Mouth is generally provided by tongue, teeth, salivary glands. Then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. It is also subdivided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Large intestine, or it is also known as colon, the parts of colon are ascending, transverse, descending, and sigmoid. Then rectum and anus. So starting from the mouth, which is provided by tongue, teeth and salivary glands, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, which is divided into duodenum, jejunum, ileum, large intestine, which have the parts like ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon, rectum and anus. So these are the basic parts of the gastrointestinal tract or the digestive tract. The first part of the digestive system is mouth. So first we discuss mouth. In mouth there are teeth which help in the mechanical breakdown of food into small pieces. All of we know that. There are 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molar. So the 4 types of teeth are present in our mouth, which helps in the mechanical breakdown of the food initially. The diagram shows the positions of these incisors, canines, premolars and molar. The second structure which is present in mouth is tongue. Tongue helps the mixing of the food with the saliva, and it is made up of three elements: epithelium, muscles and glands. In the epithelium portion, there are two types of spatial structure. These are number 1, taste buds. So what is taste bud? These are the sense organ having flask-like structure. With wide bottom. The taste cells vary from 4 to 20 per taste bud. So actually the taste buds, which are the special structure present in the epithelium, they are the sense organs which have the flask-like structure with wide bottom. So when we see the diagram, then we easily understand that how the taste buds are present in the tongue, and there are many taste buds in the taste cells vary from 4 to 20 per taste bud. The taste bud is comprises of the taste cells which initiate the sense of taste, so that different type of taste we can understand. Another special structure present in the epithelium of tongue is papillae. Papillae are the minute projection of the mucous membrane of tongue. Different types of papillae are generally found in tongue. The major types are circumvallate, fungiform, filiform, conical, foliate. So these are the major types of papillae which are found in the tongue: circumvallate, fungiform, filiform, conical, foliate. After epithelium, the another structure of tongue is muscle. The tongue muscles are voluntary in nature. What do we mean by voluntary? Voluntary means the muscles which we can move according to our wish. We know that we can move the tongue when we speak, or when we masticate, when we mix the food with the saliva. So we can move the tongue accordingly, whenever we want. So the muscles which are present in the tongue, they are voluntary in nature. And the number 3 is glands. The glands which are present in the tongue are generally mucus, serous, lymph nodes. So in the diagram we have seen the different types of taste buds, papillae which are present in the tongue. Now the functions of tongue are number 1 mastication, number 2 deglutition, number 3 taste, number 4 speech and number 5 secretion. The next structure which is present in mouth is epiglottis, which is a flap-like structure at the back of the throat that closes over the trachea so that the food cannot enter into the respiratory pipe or into the trachea. So it is a protective organ which is also present in our mouth.